Justice Clarence Thomas says that the Supreme Court has been changed by the shocking leak of the draft opinion earlier this month. The opinion suggests the court is posed to overturn the right to an abortion recognized nearly 50 years ago in Roe v. Wade. News4JAX reporter Bree Isom joins us live in the studio. Bree, you talked to News4JAX political analyst about this?
I did. He says the Supreme Court will probably deal with lack of trust among members after this leak for some time. Justice Thomas described the leak as an unthinkable breach of trust. Thomas says this will change the Supreme Court fundamentally.
The institution that I'm a part of, if someone said that one line of one opinion would be leaked by anyone, and you would say that, oh, that's impossible. No one would ever do that. There's such a belief in the rule of law, a belief in the court, a belief in what we were doing, that was verboten. It was beyond anyone's understanding, or at least anyone's imagination, that someone would do that. And look where we are, where now that trust or that belief is gone forever.
Now, News4JAX political analyst Rick Mullaney weighed in on Justice Thomas's comments about the leak and about the protests going on outside justices' homes.
It is clear that trust has been hurt on the court, both trust within the court among the members and, of course, some questioning the court itself. I'm hopeful that in the long run that won't be the case. What may be more concerning, quite frankly, and to some extent, is the protests outside the home of the justices. This is very different. In fact, I'll state this. I don't know in the history of the country if we've ever had a circumstance quite like this, where you're seeing protests outside the home of justices in anticipation of a final opinion.
Now, Mullaney says it appears that it is in a 5-4 opinion in favor of overturning Roe v. Wade. It also appears that Justice Roberts is in the minority and that he is trying to craft a compromise. He says it's hard to say whether that's likely or if that could happen. I'm reporting live from the studio. Bree Isom, Channel 4, the local station.